Let's take a look at finding the y-intercept on a TI-82 calculator. And let's take a look at this problem. So we got f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x minus 7. And we want to find the y-intercept. Remember, to find the y-intercept, you always plug 0 into the other variable. So we're going to plug 0 in for x. Now, the y-intercept is as easy as can be to find, but I'm just showing you how to do it on the calculator because it may find a need for it. Well, I'm going to go to my y equals, and I know I already have it there, but I'm going to press clear and put it in again so you can see all the buttons. You press your x key, your x squared minus 6x minus 7. And then I'm going to do a second trace, and I want to choose value, the first one. So I press 1 for value. Now it'll come up and ask us for the x value. So it says evaluate x equals, and this is another way of evaluating. So I put 0 in for the x and press enter, and it comes back and tells me that it's negative 7. So our y-intercept is negative 7. And you could write it in point form if you want. It'd be 0, negative 7. Now you can do more than the y-intercept with the value. If I do second trace and choose value, 1, you can put any value here. I could put in 2.1 and then press enter, and it'll evaluate it. So very nice feature for evaluating a function. I don't really cover this because it does have a limitation that I like the other 3 methods better that I do go over video-wise. But if I try to put in like 12, if I do second trace, choose value, and then I put 12 in for the x, and press enter, you see I get an error that says domain. Now I'll do enter on that. If I press graph, our graph goes from negative 10 to positive 10. So if I try to put in 12, that's not on my display here. And if you put an x value in that's not on your display, you get that error message you just saw. So it is limited in that way. I mean, I could zoom out and then I could put in 12, but there's easier ways to evaluate. But it is very nice to just quickly find your y-intercept. And that's finding the y-intercept on a TI-82 calculator.